In this video, I do some hiking, cooking, and fishing. Hope you enjoy. What is up, YouTube? We're in Coldwater Campground. We're gonna see if we could go hike, what's it called? Duck Pass. So we camped at the campground, and the trailhead is at the end of the campground. We're picking up camp. It's almost pretty much packed up. I want to do some fishing. Hopefully there's some fish. Let's see what happens today. So we found parking. We're on the trail. Let's get started. That's not us. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already tired. Let's go back?
No.
God dang, whose idea was this? Oh yeah. I can't even freaking talk. Alright, so apparently the beginning of this hike is like just elevation. We love elevation here. So yeah, let's see how we do. Duck Pass Trail, but I guess we're headed to Arrowhead Lake. The reviews of this place said that there's a lot of horse poop. Can't confirm. A lot of horse poop. I think we're halfway to Skeleton Lake. I think we're half a mile in. Elevation has been increasing. My fatigue has also been increasing. Oh yeah, just a lot of steps. It is beautiful though. We sat down for a bit. I think we're close to the lake. I hear the creek, Mammoth Creek, I believe. It's all uphill, bro. I try to pack light, just essential, just water, some snacks. We're gonna make a little breakfast over here. But my pack feels heavy, and it's really not. I'm carrying 2 liters of water, a fishing pole, my stove, butane, but it's not that heavy. But going uphill or going up the mountain, it does feel heavy. But we're almost there. Arrowhead Lake. Wow. We made it, y'all. Wow. All right, guys, we made it to Skeleton Lake. This place is absolutely beautiful. It is a little cold, so we had to pull out the emergency blanket. Is it working?
Yeah.
So now it's time to catch some fish. We literally haven't ate breakfast yet. We've had I guess a couple nuts and water. Pause. I want to catch a fish though. I really want to catch a fish. I'm itching to catch a fish, and then I'll make some food. We literally saw a guy walking down with like 10 fish. Yeah. This guy had 10 fish. I don't know if that's legal. I saw like some gold there. There might be some golden hybrids in this lake. He said he used power bait, so that's what we're using. I felt a bite right now, but nothing else. Small little bite. We might need to start moving around the lake, but there are some storm clouds coming. I think we'll be all right. We have our emergency blanket. Let's catch some fish. No. Frying up some Spam. Skeleton Lake.
This isn't Skeleton Lake?
Yeah.
Isn't this Arrow?
This is Arrowhead?
Yeah.
This is Arrow Lake. I don't know, I'm drunk. As I'm cooking up Spam lakeside, I hooked on something. Where is it? I hooked on something. Whoa. Let's go. Let me finish the Spam real quick. Here, baby. Let's go. Caught a trout up here while cooking. Insane. It's so beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, bicycle man. He's doing tricks. Okay, I caught my fish. It's honestly probably the most beautiful fish I've ever caught. That thing was yellow, blue, red, gorgeous. You ever catch a fish while you're cooking Spam by the lake? I know I have. Whew, that was cool. Now I'm just boiling water for the ramen and the Spam. I might have to cook up that little fella. Okay, so I got my brook trout, nice and filleted and seasoned, oiled up. Got the stove on. Let's fry it. And here it is, brook trout over the fire. Let's see how it tastes. It was good.